Alrighty guys, I'm going to change the oil on my Gilson. I got a good 30 weight Spectrum Plus Sears, Kmart, whatever. Let's see. Wrench. It's going to get wet out here in the rain, but this is a rainy day activity. Change the oil. Boy, she's on there tight. Yeah, my tractor sure don't rust because I get oil all over it when I change the oil. I'll tell you that. Yep, she's pretty black. Also, has a little bit of 30 weight or 10W, which I shouldn't have put that in there because it's a detergent motor oil, cuts the carbon off the rings and everything and makes it burn more oil. So I gotta put SAE 30 in here. So let that drain here a little while. Let's see. Alright, lifting it up a little bit. Still draining. It's gonna make for a really boring video, so I'll cut you off, and this will be part 1.